Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Brain Logic, and today we have a really interesting challenge for everyone, and your age doesn't matter right here. You're like an adult, you're like a student, you're like a old person right here. Everyone can easily solve this challenge, and in the same way everyone can make these mistakes. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you solve this challenge correctly and step by step. So here's our questions, here's our options. So right now pause the video, try to solve this challenge. What do you think about it? A, B and C. Write your option down, write your solution down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about it. Okay, so first of all, here is our question, here is our option, because right here obviously this is a really great moment to check our answers, because a lot of students solve the challenge absolutely wrong, and with your solution down into the, if you write your solution down into the comment section, we will check our answers, so it will be really interesting. So first of all, let's rewrite our challenge right here. So we have right here 4 minus 2 divided by 4, and we have right here minus 2, so absolutely the same expression. And why this challenge is very tricky? Because a lot of students prefer to solve this challenge in an easy way. For example, they see this 4 minus 2 on the left side, they see this 4 minus 2 on the right side, they say, okay, right here we have 2, right here we have 2, and obviously with this division in the middle, 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, or another approach, for example, just look at this approach. So we have right here this challenge 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. Yeah, obviously from left to right. For 4 minus 2, first step we have right here 2. Next we have this division by 2 minus 2. Yeah, we have division by 4 minus 2. Right now once more from left to right, we have right here 2 divided by 4 equal to 1/2, or let's go with 0.5. Yeah, 0.5, and we have right here minus 2. So as a result we have 1.5 with the minus sign right here. So this is also a great approach, because a lot of students solve this challenge like that, and it turns into a big argument, because as you can see right here, one solution we have right here option A, and a lot of students say okay, option A is a correct answer. We have also another approach, minus 1.5 is answer, and a lot of students say okay, this is a correct answer. And right now I'm going to show you this order of operation, because right here obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? And just agree with me, it's really weird to see in math when we have like two different answers. For example, one question and option A, and for example we have like minus 1.5, this is option B, and we have A and B is a correct answer. This is a really weird thing in terms of math, and just forget about this. So right now keep in mind these two solutions, but generally let's look for example at this PEMDAS. PEMDAS is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, all graphing calculator, all the most popular calculators in the world solve every questions according to PEMDAS order of operation. And basically how does this PEMDAS work? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we should evaluate exponents. Next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step is addition and subtraction group. So basically higher position of this element, multiplication division, exponent, parenthesis, addition, subtraction, means higher priority. So for example, parenthesis has the higher position, then parenthesis has the highest priority. So just a little bit thought about this PEMDAS. And right now let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS, and we will say like 100% with 100% sure that for example correct answer is A, correct answer is this minus 1.5. We will say 100% what is the correct answer. But right now let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So we have right here 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. Right now let's scan what do we have right here in our question. We have subtraction and we have division, and basically this is really interesting moment for us, because subtraction we have right here, yeah, and division we have right here. Okay, division we have right here. And right now we don't have addition, we don't have multiplication, we don't have exponents, we don't have parentheses, yeah, we don't have any of those, we don't have any of these steps right here. And right now let's look closely what elements has the higher priority, division or subtraction. Of course division has the higher priority than subtraction, so it means that we should divide right here this expression in the middle. Okay, and this is really important moment right now, because it changed everything. We have 4 minus 2 divided by 4 equal to 0.5 or 1/2. Yeah, we can write it as 1/2 minus 0.5 and minus 2. Right now we complete this division part right here, we complete it, and we can easily complete the subtraction part, because this is a very basic subtraction for us. We have right here 4 minus 2.5 equal to 1.5. 1.5. And this is answer C. And it turns into a big argument. A lot of students arguing with each other. What is the correct answer to this challenge? A, this one, or maybe option C right here. So my explanation is the next. Just look closely at this first interpretation. Subtraction then division. This is a very bad mistake in terms of math, because subtraction then division, this is really extremely awful mistake right here. So this is a great solution, but with parentheses. When we have parentheses right here, so with parentheses, this is a great solution, because we need to subtract 4 minus 2 at first, we need to subtract at second right here, because parentheses has the highest priority. So this is a correct solution with parentheses. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A. Let's look closely what do we have right here. This is also a very bad solution, because subtraction then division then subtraction, this is very chaotic, very randomly solution. So forget about this solution. This is really bad solution in terms of math. This is a great solution with parentheses. So for example, if we have parentheses right here, then 4 minus 2 inside parentheses, which is our first step. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Great. Then division. Great. And then subtraction. Okay, with parentheses right here, this is a correct solution. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option. This is also a very bad solution. And our last hope right here, our third interpretation, and we solve the challenge according to this PEMDAS, which is a correct order of operation in terms of math. And according to this order of operation, a correct order is the next. Division in the middle, because division has the higher priority than subtraction. So division 2 divided by 4 equal to, so we can also write it as like that. We can also write it as 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2, yeah? And according to decimal, this is equal to 0.5. So it helps us a lot, because right now we have two integers and one decimal. We can easily subtract it, because this is not like a complicated expression. We can easily do this with our common knowledge right here, because 4 minus 0.5 is 3.5, and 3.5 minus 2 equal to 1.5. And the correct answer is option C. A long explanation, but I want to show you these interpretations, because a lot of students solve this challenge like that. A lot of students solve this challenge absolutely incorrect. They solve this challenge absolutely randomly, which is not a good thing. So you need to learn PEMDAS, maybe BODMAS. I don't know where do you live and what order of operation you prefer, because there are a lot of order of operations. I prefer this PEMDAS because this is the most popular and the most important order of operation in the world. For example, you use your internet libraries, and a lot of mathematical operations will solve this challenge like that. And basically, if you solve the challenge according to this BODMAS, you will have absolutely the same answer, but in the same way, you can easily check this answer in your calculator, but sometimes happen that those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. So I'm talking about a regular common calculator from your telephone. For example, imagine you plug in this question in your telephone, 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. And sometimes calculators, if you plug in 4 minus 2, sometimes calculators subtract at first, because calculator doesn't know what do you have further. The calculator doesn't know that you have division and subtraction in further mathematical steps right here, mathematical operation in your expression, yeah? So for this thing, you need to use graphing calculator. You need to use a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem. For example, you plug in the whole entire problem, and then your calculators say, okay, I have subtraction, I have division, I have subtraction. Okay, I understand it. I don't have parentheses, I don't have exponents, I don't have multiplication, I don't have addition. I have only subtraction, division, and subtraction, and 99% of calculators works according to PEMDAS order of operation. So this is a very important moment. I want you to understand it, because a lot of students confused about it. For example, they sit in on an exam and they plug in this question 4 minus 2, and calculator sometimes gives you 2 instantly, but you need to divide it first. You don't need to subtract it first. And as you can see, it turns into a big argument. A lot of students confused, a lot of students arguing with each other about this answer, a lot of students arguing with the teachers. Yes, sometimes happens. So I hope you understand this explanation. I hope you understand that correct order is PEMDAS. Maybe BODMAS doesn't matter right here, because division is all the time before subtraction. So this is really important moment. Division is all the time before subtraction. Of course, each parenthesis changes everything right here, because for example, if you have parenthesis right here, as you can see, this is our second interpretation, which is really bad mistake in terms of math, yeah? As you can see, we have minus 1.5. We don't have this option, yeah? And this is really great. So we hope you understand my thoughts. I hope you understand my explanation. I hope you understand why 1.5 is the correct answer. I hope you understand why 1 is incorrect, why we can't solve this challenge like that. With parentheses we can do this, but without parentheses this is a really bad mistake in terms of math. So I hope you understand my thoughts. I hope you understand my explanation. So thank you for your time. Also write your question down. Write your thoughts down into the comment section. See you in the next videos.